beautiful geekables. Welcome to our new subscribers and hello again to my returning subscribers. This one's a little different. I thought this was a try not to laugh, but I don't think so. I think this is just dogs. Like cute dogs being cute and funny and just... It's titled The Dog That Made Me Want a Second Dog. I am a dog lover. My little guy back there who's no longer with me, but that's my Gizmo. I adored him with every fiber of my being, and he's in every video. He's always with us. So he was a geekable. He was, yeah, absolutely, because he watched Marvel with me and Disney with me, and he was a good little boy. So this is The Dog That Made Me Want a Second Dog. So I want to watch this. I want to see what it is. It's probably gonna make me cry, because that's what these things do. So I'm gonna put my headphone in. I'm gonna hide that because we don't need it. We've got Oliver. I'm ready to go. Let's go.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Oh my goodness. It's like a cartoon. Oh. He wants to go, he wants to go, he's going. Lots of people, all the people. Hi people. Oh, I did good, you did good, buddy. You did good. What do you, oh goodness, what do you have?
Okay, outside. Take it outside.
Is that a kiddie pool? That was a kiddie pool. Like, he's playing with it. That's adorable. They're so smart. That was cute. You're so little. Why are you upset? What are you howling for? That's not food, buddy. It's still not food. He looks how mad he is. This is how they babysit the dog. Keep him busy for hours. What's he doing? Is he waiting in line for food?
Bear, the door is open.
Oh, he doesn't believe it. He's not gonna be fooled. He refuses. He didn't know. You scared your brother. Oh, you scared your brother.
Sam.
Look at the dance. Oh, this is one of those where you just need this after a long day, and it's just happy dogs. And what you got? He's carrying his own package up the stairs. It's bigger than his whole body. You wagging your tail.
Can
Are you?
Can I get a pup cup?
Are you
please?
on the cup?
Somebody, give me a
Oh my
pup cup.
god. Tell him to whisper. He did it. Your Cane Corso. That's gonna be a big dog. Did that dog just open the door on his own? Did that dog just open the door on his own?
Think so? Really?
The dog can open the door with a handle. Oh.
I can pet her if I want
He
to
said
pet
nope.
her, Goji.
He rolled and fell. What you got? Headphones falling. He's so happy. It's a soda bottle. So I'm concerned he's too close to the street. It's like, please don't run out. Oh no, wait. Are you playing fetch with yourself? You are. Oh my goodness.
Are you guys done?
We didn't do anything. Wasn't us, Mom.
Is he being naughty? Pose?
There was a dog on TikTok named Hazel that I follow, and I adore her. The cutest thing in the world. I'm like, where'd you get the funnel? Oh my god, he's dancing. He's got more rhythm than a lot of people I've seen. Oh, he's home.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss. Give me a real kiss. Oliver. Give me a kiss. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Too close.
Pela minha família, pela minha fórmula natural de todos os dias. Todos tenham uma boa noite. Amém.
He says grace.
What's a command you unintentionally taught your dog?
Back up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Don't eat his pants. It's very still. Is that? I don't know what that was for. I don't know what it says. Anybody can translate that, please? That'd be great. I think it has something to do with breakfast in bed, though. I'm dancing. Dance with me. He wants to eat it, but I don't think he's allowed. Oh, be careful. There's a knife there. You're stuck. No way. No way he knows the yogurt sound. I'm impressed. That was absolutely adorable. That was absolutely adorable and much needed fun dog happiness. My Geekables, it's been a long day. It's been a long week. I have the Prisoner of Azkaban hair happening again. Yeah, I've been released. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow along to Everything Today with Love. Every day's Geek Day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.